The purpose of the Capstone Expo was to allow the fire protection engineering students to showcase the project that they worked on for the semester, which was to implement a fire and life safety design for the BWI concourse expansion.
We decided to upgrade the existing renovations and increase some of the fire protective walls. We could divide the entire terminal connector into its own space with 2-hour rated firewalls, and also close up any gaps with barn-style doors that would also be 2-hour rated.
We were able to use a modeling thing called plausible, and there we were able to create a design fire where ours was a clothing rack that got lit on fire outside of one of the merchant stores inside BWI. So there we were able to add a heat release rate to the fire to see how hot it would get, different kind of temperature. With the different things inside that platform, we were able to measure how hot the smoke would get once it got to 1.8 meters, which is about the average height of people that occupants are trying to egress. The heat flux going on the steel beams to make sure that they wouldn't deform in the event of a fire, so that way everyone was still able to egress safely, and a couple of other things.
Some of the challenges that we faced during this project was this was our first time doing performance-based design, as well as it was difficult for us to find a design fire that was hot enough and plausible to be in an airport.
We also faced some other problems. To run our code, our model, it took 52 hours. So this means that if we wanted to make any changes, you would have to run it all over again.
This project is also a good example of what fire safety engineering is about, where you have to combine different aspects of engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and chemical engineering, with also something that is often outside of the area of engineering, like human behavior and understanding how people react in the case of a disaster or in the case of a safety hazard.
This expo helped prepare us for our career by giving us exposure to performance-based design in addition to fire modeling and egress modeling.